Alright guys, so I don't normally give out recipes on here, but Rachel made these great muffins. They're almond flour muffins. I'm gonna put the recipe right in here. You can screenshot it, you can save this recipe, but these make for a great snack on the approach. Again, we do 3 meals in that 8-hour window, fasting for the other 16 hours. This is great because you can make a ton of them, take them with you, give them to your friends, family. Yes, maybe you wanna give them to people in your office. Okay, then you want to make a bunch of them and eat all of them yourself. They are great to have for a snack, and you added flaxseed to these, hemp seed, cacao nibs, right? Chia seeds. I think they're great. Again, you can make a bunch of them. The original recipe that you found had like icing on top, but we're not doing that. No need for that. Just added a little coconut sugar to this. Coconut oil, coconut sugar, the rest of the recipe is right there. And you can also add a little protein powder to this. It would make for a great addition. All right, guys, so there you have it, a great, healthy almond flour muffin. As always, hope these tips help. Don't forget to follow for more.